Welcome to Josna's channel, and this is what I want to say. So, we were talking about little ones going to school and forming their habits. Once they are born and they are 1 year old, that's the time we start inculcating habits, good habits in them, like, putting back the toys, uh, uh, and keeping the things in place. Like once they finish their food, they should take that plate into the kitchen and they should wash their hand, wipe their face, wipe their hands, and how to change their own clothes, help them change their clothes. And you'll find that they do real good job, when you're around, and they know, they have that confidence that my mom is there or my dad is there to help me. So it's not just for the moms, but it is also for the dads to take every important step in their life. So that's why I always keep saying, whenever you want to have a kid, you should both be mentally prepared to handle the tasks, and motherhood doesn't come easy. So it's a very good thing in the life, a very good milestone in the life, which comes with lot of sacrifices. So I was talking about these little ones. So make them do certain things, like waking up at fixed time, going to loo, and then brushing their teeth. Be there when they are brushing their teeth. Teach them initially how you have to do it, and they are fast learners, and this generation is even more faster. So just be there and see how they brush their teeth, then giving them bath initially, then assign few things to them, like rubbing their feet, rubbing their hands, not to put soap in the eyes. So these are small tips that definitely helps them in long run. And after finishing bath, they need to wipe their body clean and help them to do that. But then if you are there, they want to do everything by themselves. So be there, and whenever they are not right, tell them, oh, it is to be done this way. Buttoning up with the shirt, or wearing their shorts or pants, wearing their socks. And these days, I see shoes with Velcro, so that has made the job more easier. But if the shoes have fancy laces, shoelaces, help them to tie these shoelaces. All these things, for me, every little thing in the child's life is important. So I used to be there and enjoyed that moment, how he was tying or she was tying the shoelace, or how he's trying to put back the books in the place or toys in the place. So these little things make you really happy, so start at the age of 1 itself, and you will see that within no time they are so self-disciplined and very self-respectful, and they know what to do. So they are not confused, and they have so much of energy to do it. So just we have to channelize their energy. So I'll be coming up with another video. Take care. By then.